Lesson 1 of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. The first thing that I want you to do is locate the center yellow square. Now, the purpose of this lesson is to create a white cross around that yellow square. So we're going to have one here, one on the right, one down the bottom, and one here on the left-hand side. Now, there's no actual sequence to do this. We're going to go into algorithms and sequences later on. But it's pretty much more using logic. So for example, we have a free spot here, obviously, and we have a white square here. If I was to bring that forward, you see that it's lined up the 3 o'clock on the right hand side. Let's keep looking around the square. We have another white square here now, but if I was to move that forward, it will push this one away. So simply just turn the top layer backwards. And now we've lined him up with a spare spot there. So if I was to just move that forward, there you go, we've got that lined up. Let's keep looking around the cube. And it seems like we've got a couple of them right underneath. Now, because they're right underneath, if I was to move that around, it would line it up with a spare spot over here. So all I have to do is move that around twice, once, and then one more time. And there you go. So we only have the one more left now. Let's have a look around the cube and find out where he is. He's over here. So obviously I can't move that forward. It's going to push that one out of the sequence. We will need to move him around over here. So move the top backwards and move it around one more time. And now we have a spare spot here. Let's just move that forward, and there you go. We've created our white cross and then some. So don't worry if you've got more than just the white cross, that's okay, as long as you have the 12 o'clock, the 9 o'clock, 3 and 6 o'clock down the bottom, you are good to go to lesson 2. I do encourage you to practice this a few times before you move on to lesson 2, but that concludes lesson 1.